I'm Chef Lala, and I'm going to teach you how to make Mexican shrimp and cheese over rice. This is one of my dad's favorite recipes, so I wanted to share it with you today. He starts off with a little butter. Now, I always ask him what his secret is to get it nice and separated. He says he just washes it a lot, so what he does is he washes it until all the water runs clear. And this way it doesn't get all nice and sticky because he washes all that starch off. The problem with that is you wash off all the vitamins and minerals that have been added back into the rice when it's been fortified, but that's just his technique, and that's what we're doing today. We want to saute it till it's kind of nice and golden. So once it's golden, nice and toasty, we want to add a little bit of water. So with rice, it's 2 parts water, 1 part rice. We're going to salt it and add a little bit of Mexican crema. You can use sour cream also, just a tad for a creaminess. Stir it in and bring it to a boil. Once it's cooked for about 5 minutes, you want to add the shrimp. You don't want to add it too early on because you don't want your shrimp to overcook. It's peeled, deveined, and cleaned. We're also going to add a little bit of oaxaca cheese. Oaxaca cheese is basically string cheese, and it's melting cheese, so it's going to be nice and gooey on top. And we're going to cover it and let it cook. Okay, let's check this out. Oh yeah, beautiful. Just nice, gooey, cheesy rice. Cut off a piece. Garnish it with a little bit of cilantro. I'm Chef Lala, and I hope you enjoyed how to cook Mexican shrimp and cheese over rice.